Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. And today it's about the town car, and look what I'm holding in my hand here. It's a gold frame, license plate frame. And it looked really good on Amazon. It just looked good, and it looked like it's a professional company, and it was labeled and everything. And the price was unbeatable. And you know how it is when you buy cheap, usually you get cheap, and this is what I got. It was in the package like this, nothing else by it, no brand name, nothing. So let's try it to see if it's some cool gadget or if it's crap. So we'll find out. So I'll pack it, some caps for the license plate in here. That already looks pretty cheap. Look at that, looks like fake gold type of deal there. Yeah, some hardware here, some screws. I hope I can just use the old screws and not put those caps on. I prefer that, to be honest. So there's no instructions with it, nothing. Now more caps and more hardware for the second one. There's two plates here. It comes in a, oh no, there's only one. Okay, see, this is the first thing. I think it said there should be two plates, but look at this. Yeah, there's hardware for, oh no, there are different screws, different types of screws. Okay, so I'll try it with my old ones first. See how that works before we do this. All right, guys, so this is it. Of course, not real gold. I think everyone knows that. Yeah, is it crappy? Is it not? We'll find out. I'll put it on the car. We'll see if we like it, or if we don't like it, I'll just leave it on for a while and I'll take it off and throw it in the garbage if I don't like it. So it's a nice little frame, so not too bad, but yeah, probably cheaply made. All right. Okay, it's 100 degrees today. It's a good day, but hot. And it's about time to put that on, and guess what we do then? Take the town car out so it goes on a ride. All right, let's go to the car and let's get it done. All right, I'm here at the town car and I have this cheap little tool here. It's all about cheap today, isn't it? It is not super cheap, but it's not expensive either. But it's really handy. It works good too. So sometimes cheap gives you good tools. And they don't come out very easy. So it doesn't come out very easy, but maybe I should use this hand here. But you know, filming isn't always easy to do stuff right. That's something I learned when I started doing YouTube. So okay, this one's out. I want to drop stuff. I did. I want to scratch this. Okay, I know something to talk about for a minute. Oh man. Okay, so this here, the bottom here is very scratchable. It scratches really easy. So guys, always be careful with that. And that's for the key to unlock your trunk. A lot of guys don't even notice it. I mean, it's right there, but they don't notice it. This here is a little rusted, but not bad. So we'll just put it right back on the same spot it was, just with the frame. So here's the frame. I think the bottom is here with those little hooks here. You can see that. Put it on there and line it up just right, like this. Of course, I dropped the screw like this. Put that in there and put the other one in on this side, but make sure you put it up so it's lined up right, like that. Okay, so this is what we'll look like. Is that good? Is that bad? I don't know. Let me tighten that up and we'll look at it. All right, I'll be right back. All right, town car community, here we are. So what do you think? Couple things. I bought this because I thought the gold would match the gold on the town car emblem. Like the Lincoln here, you know, and here the town car there, but I'm not sure if it was a good idea because it looks a little different, so I'm not sure I like this. Anyways, why did they not put holes in here to put screws through on both sides so it doesn't flap? Why? There's none there, there's nothing drilled there, so you can't attach it. Yeah, good question. I don't know why either, so if you know it, let me know, because I do not know. That's one thing I always wonder about. Other than that, let's get up here. The car is fine, and yeah, I have no complaints. I never have complaints with the town car. It always runs good. See how the gold is a little bit a different color? I don't know if I like this. I'm not sure. You know, I'm not a gold fan. I became a gold fan with this car because I just like the way it looks, you know. It just fits the type of vehicle it is. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing now. I'll get this car out, the Shelby, and then I'll get this one out, and then I'll put the Shelby back in here, and I'll put the Tesla back here and the town car over there so that I can drive it as my daily driver for a while, because that's been a while that I haven't driven it, and it's about time to do that. All right, okay, if you enjoyed this video, let me know and show me with posting a like, or clicking on the like button and posting a comment. I mean, even if it's only something silly, it helps the algorithm, it helps me, and I'm not gonna be a millionaire because of YouTube, but it just makes me happy to see that people are watching my videos. And if you're interested in the Explorer, the Shelby here, or Mercedes that's outside, or even the Tesla that's normally parked here, let me know too, and watch my videos. If you have any videos you want to see, yeah, tell me and we'll make it happen. Okay, we'll go in the town car now and I'll start moving it out. So let me put the tools away while we do that together, get it started and move it out. The garage is not open all the way. Oh man, I can just start it and then I'll let it run for a moment and I'll open the garage. And that's something else we need to talk about another time. The garage opener, you can program this here, see that? But it doesn't work for my town car. I'm not sure why. It used to work in our old house, but in this house here I can't get it to work. I don't know what it's doing. So look at that. It was parked for a longer time and it starts right up. Music gone, turn that off. Yeah, it's 86 inside. It was over 100 outside earlier. Terrible, really terrible. All right guys, wish you a good evening. So this video probably comes out on Wednesday, 10:45, like always. Hang in there and be happy. See you soon.